The Amish Disaster Response Group, Disaster Aid Ohio, has started work on the first of 8 homes being built for tornado survivors in Dayton.
It's all part of the Tornado Survivor Pathway to Homeownership project following the devastation caused by the 2019 Memorial Day tornadoes. 2 News reporter Madeline Ashley has been on site all afternoon as construction begins on the first house. And she's live to show us the progress being made. Madeline?
Brooke, John, builders are done for today, but they definitely made some progress earlier today. And the people that I talked with that are in charge of this project say even though it's cold outside, what's keeping them warm while they're out here working is knowing that these homes are going to go towards survivors for them to live in. Donated money, community organization support, and volunteer workers from Amish group Disaster Aid Ohio, allowing construction of 8 new homes on lots donated by local communities.
So the Tornado Survivor Pathway to Homeownership program is for qualified renters that were impacted by the tornado to have the opportunity to become homeowners by purchasing a home at market rates.
The tornadoes, an impact still felt in the community.
We lost about 1,500 units of affordable rental housing in terms of apartment complexes that were destroyed that are not being rebuilt. And that's made it really challenging for people to find a home base to call home for the future.
And project leaders say for tornado survivors, the need goes beyond housing.
There still really, though, is a need for mental health treatment. There are people that still react in a bad way when they hear that bad weather's coming, and that's just kind of a PTSD effect of the storms.
Once the 8 homes are complete, there will be 16 total homes within the Pathway project for tornado survivors. And while the homes aren't occupied yet, project leaders are excited to get people in them.
We're taking first-time homeowners, we're helping educate them on the process of buying a home, providing supportive down payment and affordable housing so that they can change the trajectory of their lives.
Project leaders say the goal is to have these 8 homes done and ready to be moved into by spring of next year. Live in Dayton, Madeline Ashley, 2 News, working for you.